Hello world, my name is cocomarTech at ang HUAWEI Sound Joy is the first ever portable speakers na nilabas ni HUAWEI.
Long-lasting battery performance, fast charging, punchy sound, smart features, very stylish, and co-engineered with DVLET, isang French audio technology company na nagpro-produce ng high-end speakers and amplifiers. HUAWEI Sound Joy adopts HUAWEI's push-push acoustic design that presents sound waves in front of you. Habang nagpe-play ng music, tumatama yung sound waves sa diaphragm ng dalawang passive radiators sa pagsabay sa beat ng kanta. Wrapped in a special woven fabric that achieves IP67 waterproof rating, the HUAWEI Sound Joy is resistant to water, kaya hindi mo kailangang mag-alala kapag pumasok ang tubig sa HUAWEI Sound Joy mo.
As the first portable smart speaker co-designed by DVLET and HUAWEI, the HUAWEI Sound Joy is equipped with 1+1+2 speaker system and a two-way acoustic system to deliver enjoyable audio experience. Ang HUAWEI Sound Joy ay isang powerful yet portable gadget that filled the space with energizing sound even at an outdoor venue.
Ang supported frequency range of HUAWEI Sound Joy is divided into high frequency and mid frequency, which enables the device to deliver loud, clean high frequency sounds and deep low frequency sounds at a high volume. Whether isa kang audio enthusiast or isang general user, the speaker brings your favorite music to life.
Para malaman natin kung gaano kalakas talaga yung tunog ng HUAWEI Sound Joy, nilagay ko siya sa malayo. From the place I'm standing right now, nasa around 70 meters yung agwat niya. Pipindutin ko yung play button, nandito. 1, 2, 3, go. What do you think of the sound, loudness, and quality of the HUAWEI Sound Joy base sa naririnig nyo ngayon? Comment down. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
The HUAWEI Sound Joy comes with a multicolor ring that is extremely satisfying to watch. Nakita nyo naman, napakaganda. Sa taas ng speaker is a light ring that displays monochromic light effects for different functions. Nagte-turn green siya kapag nasa call ka. Nakikita mo rin dito yung battery level indicator.
Naka-disable siya by default, pero madali lang naman siya i-turn on or off. Simply by pressing the play button or pause button for 3 seconds.
Coming in two colors, graphite black and spruce green, the HUAWEI Sound Joy goes well with various outfits and occasions. Meron siyang compact body that measures 202mm height with a diameter of 73mm and weighs at 680 grams. The speaker easily fits in your backpack or pwede mo rin isuot sa wrist using a hand strap. Hiking, camping, cycling, or partying, the HUAWEI Sound Joy lets you enjoy your favorite music kahit saan ka magpunta. Karamihan ng speakers ngayon ay designed to deliver its best performance habang nakatayo. Pero sa HUAWEI Sound Joy, whether nakahiga or nakatayo, it consistently delivers high quality sound.
That's what she said!
Ito yung favorite feature ko, the one-touch transfer. Pwede ka mag-play sa phone and then just tap your phone sa speakers and magpe-play na kagad siya sa speakers. Very seamless, user-friendly, and satisfying.
Explosion.
Sobrang nakakainis kapag nalobat yung speakers habang nagpipiknik or nasa beach. Pero with the HUAWEI Sound Joy, hindi mo na kailangang mag-alala about its battery performance. The HUAWEI Sound Joy comes with an 8,800 mAh large battery. On one full charge, it can work up to 26 hours. With support for 40 watts super fast charging, the speaker can be fully charged in just 3 hours. Kahit nagmamadali ka na lumabas, a 10-minute charge gives it a long enough battery life to support 1-hour playback. Napakaraming pwedeng gawin with the HUAWEI Sound Joy. Meron din tayong tinatawag na Shake Stereo Link Up, kung saan pwede mo i-connect ang dalawang HUAWEI Sound Joy speakers just by shaking, which is very convenient.
When your phone is connected to the speakers, pwede mo rin gamitin ng voice assistant to make commands. Hey Bixby, tell me a joke.
Why did the Transformer go to jail?
He committed an Optimus crime.
Corny. Pwede mo rin makontrol ang HUAWEI Sound Joy using a HUAWEI smartwatch. The HUAWEI Sound Joy is priced at 6,999 pesos and will be available at the HUAWEI online store and on Lazada and Shopee. For those who order during the promo period from May 6 to May 15, buyers will additionally receive the HUAWEI Moonlight worth 999 pesos. Sobrang ganda ng HUAWEI Sound Joy. From design to functionality, from the battery life to ease of use, ang ganda na sound, mabilis mag-charge, and water resistant. This is the HUAWEI Sound Joy, and I'm happy with this product. My name is cocomarTech. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is cocomarTech. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.